course, we are live. We are live, but with no music. With no music. With no music. There we go. Struggle streaming already.
On a killer code, never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a foot, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood, so na kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a prison. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
Come in with a ski max, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, what don't get, and we ain't fit, I can't get in here, we getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere, the bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Dave, young Boy, young Dale, young Dog, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Neil, young Chill. I say catch him with the bitchin', learn for repetition. I got no ambitions, visit so I question meditation.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Nah. Oh man. You hear myself. I sound good. Hell yeah. You know what time it is? We're gonna force in this bit. We're gonna go crazy. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to another live stream. This is Money Mondays, bro. I don't know, Sundays. The past 2 Sundays I've been getting cooked. More of it, I've been tired. So just trying to was down with it. Prototype. But this is a great another live stream. It's gonna be short. I don't know. I like keeping it short. You know what I'm saying? I like keeping it short. But it's gonna be short and impactful. So y'all can get back to your day, go back to your brain rotten. So welcome to another great Money Sunday. Money Monday. Money Monday. This is the 16th week of 2026. We're gonna go crazy. We still going crazy. No matter what we face, we are the best YouTube trader on freaking this platform in the freaking world. You know, nobody can, this is the best podcast. You can just turn off your video and just listen to me because I sound good. I sound great. And you know what it is. Uganda trades, Uganda Nation of Profits. We are going to be profitable forever. But with that, I'm going to cut to the meat. Cut to the chase. You know what I'm saying? This is the new live stream status. We're going straight to it. So boom, reaction. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of earnings this. Actually, no, I'm looking at the monthly.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
Bruh.
All right, let's look at the weekly. So Goldman Sachs dropped their earnings this morning. And Fast now. I don't know who that is, but tomorrow we got J&J, we got JP Morgan, we got Black, we got Citi, we got Wells Fargo, we got CarMax dropping all earnings tomorrow morning.
Rich. What the heck? Oh my God.
Bruh, my soundboard is trash right now. Let me do that again. We got JP Morgan, J&J, BlackRock, Citibank, Wells Fargo, and CarMax dropping earnings tomorrow.
Oh my God.
I need to get a better cheering noise effect. But you know what time it is. So tomorrow, expect a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of volume within those stocks right here, JP Morgan, you know what I'm saying, J&J. So expect. Look at my English. I'm going to start pronouncing my words properly. But expect some volume up or down with these stocks. You know what? And the following day, we got ASML, we got Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Progressive. I ain't gonna lie, I hate Progressive, bro. They kicked me off the insurance because I did not open a letter. Progressive can suck up. Yeah.
Bruh. Oh my God.
We got PNC dropping earnings. All right, and then on Thursday we got TSM dropping earnings. Look how good they've been doing for the past year. They're up 137%.
Oh my God.
Past 5 years, over 20%.
Oh my God.
Oh, y'all can't even see that. They're up. In there. We got Pepsi dropping earnings. Pepsi dropping earnings. We got Charles Schwab dropping earnings. Let's see TMC year to date. Only 21%. And then we got what's it called? We got US Bank dropping earnings. We got Netflix dropping earnings on Thursday. And then we have trust these companies, these banks though. I ain't gonna lie, let me see the past 5 years. Not too bad. Max only up 13%. But you know what time it is. It's gonna be another chaotic week. But with that though, let's get into the Forex Factory calendar. What we got today. So Monday, very uneventful. But Tuesday, we got the core PPI dropping. That's inflationary news. We got the Empire State Manufacturing Index dropping. We got the Fed Philly Manufacturing Index dropping. We got unemployment claims dropping on Thursday. You know what time it is. We have FOMC member speaks. Who that is, I don't care. Because you know what time it is. It's time to party. All right. So that's pretty much the fundamentals for the week. If you pay attention to that, shout out to you. You're a fundamental trader. You know what? One thing I love about fundamental traders, they think they're smarter than anybody because they can sound so good. But when price goes against them, they can just make some BS up. Shout out to the fundamental traders. I ain't got no beef with y'all. I surely do.
Oh my God.
Just kidding, just playing. But check out earnings up, man. What a great website. Man, they give you the earnings. Jesus. Man, my desk is dirty. I need to clean it because I just put up something on the wall. I put up a new, like this is gonna be a little review. I pull up a new smart board. Check that out, man. If your smart board is small, you got small dreams, right? You gotta have a big smart board. So you can write it out all what you want to do. Write it out. So you know what time it is. Uganda trades, bro. Let's ask the market. We're trying to be quick here, though. What's going on? What's going on in the stock market, bruh, this week? Or should I switch to a different chatbot or a AI? We got the Iran tension. We got the U.S. barrel oil. We got higher oil. We got inflationary restrictions. Earnings season's just kicked off. We have market trends, short-term, big picture. Inflation and Fed still a problem. Inflation still around 3% range. Fed is not rushing to cut their interest rates. And then we have energy sectors. Oil is up. Financial earnings. Volatility. Good gracious. And then the bottom line. Short term is bullish because of the geopoliticals and the oil spike. We got a bullish support. Strong earnings expectations. Reality market is likely to stay volatile this week. So take it how you take it. That's what ChatGPT says. So take it with a grain of salt. with that though, we're gonna move on to our favorite, the technical analysis.
What the hell? Rich millionaire, eh? Rich, hey, hold on there. Bumbleclad, rich millionaire, millionaire.
So, what happened the past week? So I'm gonna do a little quick review. I'm gonna do 10 quick review of the stocks right quick. I'm gonna do it right quick. And once I do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh the charts and to have a different point of view. Because guess what? Opportunities from last week are gone. We can't get those back. If we made money or lose money, guess what? It's a new week. It's Monday. Tuesday, we expect some volatility. We got earnings dropping left and right. So let's get into these reviews. So boom, look what happened to SPY after the 2-week ceasefire and the war in Iran. SPY jumped. Let's see how much SPY jumped. Where's my, okay. SPY jumped 2% overnight after the ceasefire, almost 3%, and then continuing to push up. Yes, continue to push up. I'm feeling this food. Food is fire. Food is fire. Food is fire. And then we're going to QQQ. Also the same story. Pretty much mirroring each other. After the ceasefire, prices pushed up and continue to push up back into this range right here. This 636 to 616 level. This price will continue to stay in the zone, always gonna push up and retest these old supports. Same with Dow Jones average. As you can see, that ceasefire pushed up a lot of these indices. But would that mean the same for the Mag 7? Do you know what the Mag 7 is? No. Okay, boom. So as you can see, even Facebook, I had a trade. I didn't trade this, but because my trading account is looking sad.
Oh my God!
My trading account is looking.
Oh my God! The hell? Oh my God! No way! Yeah.
That's how my trading account is looking. Cause oh my God, bro. Them contracts for Meta are expensive, gang. You gotta be
rich millionaire, hey, rich. What? Hey, hold on there. Bumbleclad, rich millionaire, millionaire.
But guess what? SL hit, and it is what it is. That's what happened with Meta after their ceasefire. Price was on its way to hell, but guess what happened? Trump said, not today. So we can even look at Microsoft bouncing off this support level, but you can see its earnings is coming up at the end of the month, right? Earnings are coming up towards the end of the month. Price is pushing back into this support right here. But guess what? I'm not supposed to touch the prices, the markups, but price is pushing up. So possibly a retest or a rebuy into here. But move on to Tesla. Teziski also profited, made a big jump from the ceasefire news. But guess what happened? Price quickly short off back in underneath the support. But guess what? We had 3 bullish days in a row. Is this a buy signal or is it a sell signal? In my opinion, I still think it's a sell signal because guess what? Price is underneath the support level. Now we go on to Google. As you can see, Google. Man, it's I think price was a little above the support, and we were just waiting it to retest and break below. But guess what? With the ceasefire news, price went up, and now it's right above this resistance. So is Google a buy?
Oh my God!
Now let's go to Google, Apple. As you can see, Apple. I'm gonna adjust this. Apple. I got into Apple. SL hit. SL hit today. It's all my fault. I'm taking trades and I'm not really locked in.
Oh my God!
And then we go on to Amazon. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Millionaire.
Oh my
Rich. Bumbleclad. Rich. Millionaire. Millionaire. What the hell? Oh my God. No way.
As you can see, with Amazon, price first it threw that a resistance level. And guess what? I did have a entry point above this. And as you can look at my last live stream, but guess what? Price broke that and it's pushing this $250 level. You want to see if I went bullshitting? First of all, go show some love to my YouTube channel. We're at 15,000 subscribers. We is great. But literally my last live stream, even this past week, Downturn on the monthly. Who's a sexy guy, bro? One bad earnings call. Let's go to. Let's see. Price starting to process $300. As you can see, price has kind of broke the support, but kind of just consolidating below it as well. That's on a weekly. And if we zoom in on a daily, you can kind of have a more clear picture of what's going on with price. Yeah, I've already. Damn, I needed a haircut. Jeez, look at that hair. Sheesh. And then, yep, baby indication. Yeah, baby indication. Stupid baby. But I don't know. I'm still a believer. Price above 217.
Oh my God!
I said it. But guess what? Price is 20 points above that. So guess what? Hey, we gotta look for new opportunities. Also, Nvidia also profited, made some bread off of that. I didn't profit that, but Nvidia also jumped off of the ceasefire. Shout out Nvidia earnings, man. And Nvidia, playing Nvidia, but trading Nvidia is ass. But anyways, let's remove that, and we're gonna do a quick. About to do a quick market analysis. Remove all that. Get it off my chart skis. But starting off with Meta on a monthly. So this is the refresh. Let's see if we have any opportunities with Meta. As you can see, we're still in a downtrend, but it's price about to reverse and push higher highs. But let's go to the weekly. We had a pregnant. This is a reversal of the pregnant candlestick, and guess what happened? Price literally bounced off of that pregnant candlestick. Ain't that crazy? And that's on the weekly too. But we pop in the daily. Looks like we are back. Price is back into this level of resistance and support. Man, I was in so much pain when I missed this trade, bro. How much pain I was in when I missed this trade right here.
Oh my God!
I was in so much pain in the world. Okay, y'all see how like refreshing your charts just gives you a different point of view? Now we can be like, okay, price made this indication. We already went to this $15 level. That's delicious. That's delicious. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. This is very unprofessional, but I gotta text a message. I gotta send a message right quick. So we still hey, oh my god, send that right quick. Um, y'all see it? I hear it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. So I like this zone right here. I ain't gonna lie. I like it right here. I like the price out right here. Let me add an alert right quick. I like the alert right quick. Right here. Oh yeah. What is price gonna do? What is price gonna do? Push your below here. Let's go on a 4-hour. You know what I'm saying? For the day traders out there. Let's pop this bad boy in there. You can see on a smaller time frame, this was happening. Price is rejecting such and such. But hey, we go below here. Might be on sales, baby. Or we might see continuation and test this 670 level. Going on to Microsoft. Shout out Microsoft. Microsoft has been getting pooped on for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Is Microsoft ready to recover, Ski? Is Microsoft ready to recover, Ski? Microsoft ready to recover, Ski? Microsoft ready to recover, Ski? Microsoft is ready to recover, Ski. And as you can see, we have this support level, and we see a pregnant candlestick pattern on the monthly. Is Microsoft at a buy zone? Is Microsoft at a retest zone? And guess what? Look at Microsoft breaking these higher highs. Not really, but just I still see Microsoft below support right here. Oh yeah, we see that. Y'all see it? We see it. I see it. Oh yeah, boom. And let's pop the resistance and support right quick. You see it? And then let's pop our indication. So we got an indication over here. We have indication, man. Boom, I see it. And then we go to Tetsky. We go back to Microsoft skis. Let's go to daily. Oh my God, I'm getting hiccups because I ate all that food without no water. Crazy work. Yeah, this is on a 4-hour. This is what's going on hourly. Seeing if price gonna break that above or fail that retest, right? Because look, below this level, price went. So we can see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? But let's go on a 1 month. 1 month. 1 month for Tezzy. Also, Tesla's been getting brother. 1, 2, 3, 4 months of straight. Brother. It's getting pooped on. But we are in a downtrend. On this downtrend. Trade with that trend and get rich. It's that easy, huh? Oh, okay. Boom. So price has magically came back down to earth. Tesla. And let's see if I see a support. I see this old resistance too. It's old resistance that turned into support. You know what I'm saying? Your old resistance can turn into support. Like your old horror. Sorry. Your old Boothang could be your new Boothang. Old support, Boom, you see it? We got indication prices that the three rising soldiers, 3 falling angels. What is this candlestick pattern? The 3 falling, the 3 falling angels. Candlestick images. Pattern. 3. So it's the 3 white soldiers and the 3 black crows. So when is the 3 soldiers used? And so this 3 white soldiers is a sign of reversal? Question mark? Continuation. Maybe? Three white soldiers. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Continuation. Take it with a grain of salt, but that's how I see it. 3 days of straight push. Are we going to continue? Or it's going to be a fake out and it continue pooping on itself. But let's go on to Microsoftski. Hey, Microsoftski. I hate when people. Hey. That's it. Okay, let's go to this is Google. Google with the crazy recovery after the news dropped. Google done on a monthly, just done miracle things. With the I also pointed this out. I pointed this out last week where we had the pregnant candlestick pattern. Google pregnant candlestick pattern. Google. I also pointed that out. It's Apple. Trade with it. Go to Google. Back on the day. To the buy point. No. Go on the daily. What I like about Google. Kind of push back into this range right here. Boom. Buy point. No. Buy. Well, trying to recover. You have a recovery on Google. Well, trying to recover. Well, I didn't say it. Oops. Anyways, moving on. Google just straight soldiers, straight fire. Week 2, dang. Seems like I streamed 2 weeks ago. But no, the week already started. Anyways, as you can see, going to daily. Is there any opportunities with Google? Is there any opportunities? So my thing, I see this right here. Y'all don't see it. I got the eye for it. Boom. Google. See, I got the eye for it. Wait for it. Boom. Boom. I see it. Apple. Let's go to Google. Let's see what's going on in the smaller time frames for our day traders. Boom. Look, making higher highs. Let's go in the 1 month, 1 hour. Let's see, could have been eaten. Entry. Wrong. Anyways, let's go to Appleski. Polski. Got these. This monthly. Apple's looking pretty mid, but the trend is still downwards. Going to weekly. It's been bearish, pushing. Apple's been pushing on that weekly, pushing up. Then let's go into daily, right? What's going on in a daily? We see that price has a new resistance and a new support. We have indication here and here. Yeah. And then we just drop that resistance support. I see it. We see it. Boom. 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 Beautiful. The Amazonsky. We are looking for opportunities. We're looking for opportunities. Amazon, this is the biggest buy signal ever. Oh.
What the hell?
Oh my God!
What the hell?
Oh my God!
Amazon, man, just went crazy the past week. But guess what? Do we see opportunities? Do you need an opportunity to get to this bread? So you could either see it one way, you can see it like this, or you can see it like this, huh? How do y'all see it? How do y'all see the market, huh? How do y'all see the market? Support's here and resistance is here, and price is gonna meet these target. Y'all gonna be patient, and Amazon's gonna push. Amazon's gonna push, or you see prices enter this range level. I'm gonna be benefit of the doubter. I see the glass half full. You see another way, you see the glass half empty. So Amazon got some targets to meet. Amazon got some targets to meet. Amazon got some targets to meet. Target 1 and 2 and 3. And then let's go to NVIDIA consolidation. Consolidate. That's what NVIDIA does. Just consolidate and just makes your ears hurt. Jesus, that was loud. But you can see NVIDIA is not moved for the past freaking 8 months. So trading NVIDIA is freaking idiotic. Trading NVIDIA is idiotic. Like, look, we haven't broken out these levels in forever. NVIDIA. I envy NVIDIA. You know why? Because trade NVIDIA and NVIDIA trades me back. You know what I'm saying? I trade NVIDIA and NVIDIA trades me back. All right. Pretty much what I see. Definitely, you know, I'm not. If the opportunity gives it to yourself, never be shy. So there's opportunity up here above this 193 level. And then at this 166 level, NVIDIA is at a sell, but we have indication. So guess what? Above here, I'm excited to get into some NVIDIA. But let's also go over the spy 500 stocks in nowhere. I can't even rap, bro. Cash rap. But as you can see, last month, the earnings, the Iran ceasefire pushed. It pushed SPY back into this range of doom.
What the hell?
That's the range of doom. So looks like SPY is back into the range of doom.
Brother,
Yes, like this range was terrible. Terrible. Trading the range, you're not gonna get rich. You're gonna get poorer. Dropping that resistance support. Look at that. Look at that beautiful indication. Boom. Is there any opportunities on a smaller time frame? Maybe. Let's see. Let's go on hourly. Boom. Drop this right here. And then you can see, boom. Price. Let's continue on upwards trajectory. Looks good. Oh man. Lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Lower low. That's the beauty of small trading on small time frames, because the price can jump like crazy. Let's go on QQQQB and QQQ. Same news as the SPY. The ceasefire definitely provided that push momentum, and you know, that it will help with that push back into the channel of doom.
brother,
Yes, this is doom. Price where price goes to chill. Ew. It's on a weekly too. Let's go to daily. Look at it. Look at it. All these days, prices is going, in between one channel, the channel of doom. But anyways, we can find opportunities, we can find opportunities. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Maybe we can get in some entries. You know what I'm saying? We can get in some entries. Get in on some entries. We have boom right here. Drop that right there. And then guess what? On a smaller time frame, this is a big resistance and we are above it. So maybe price will go crazy above this joint. Yep. And now let's go to the Dow Jones Index C. Dow Jones Index C. Look at that, forming that pregnant candlestick. But I feel like we might push above it. Look at it on the past few weeks. Price broke that, continuing to go up. And then do we see opportunities? I think right here. Got this support level right here. And we have this support resistance, say. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys. That's all the stocks. Let's check out gold. What's gold doing? Gold also recovering. But guess what? I see that gold in this new range right now. Is price gonna break that? Delete. Delete. Boom. Drop this. Drop that. This gold buy above this level. Let's add it right there. Yep, crossing. Then also let's delete this. On the daily. You have buy opportunities above here, support level. You have indication right here. Boom. Add alert. All right, that's it, bro. I love y'all so much. Yonder Trades is the best trader in the world, bro. I'm about to go play some tennis, man. Get in little activities. And well, I got a book. Gotta read. Not this one. This is legendary book to read Think and Grow Rich. I'm gonna try to do 7 minutes a day. Why am I telling y'all that? That's none y'all been there. Anyway, Yonder Trades is out of here. I'm gonna play some tennis. Love y'all guys. Goodbye. Last night, forever. See you next week.